Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are test driving the new Model Y, right behind you.
But this is one of the Model Ys, and then there's one black one that I already showed you. There's a Model... Which model is this again? Model 3? There. And then got another Model 3. Model 3 here. And the new performance. Is it performance though? No, it's not.
Here. Hello. Hello. See us. So, to give you a quick look at the touchscreen, which is slightly bigger, slightly thinner than before. It also has your controls for drive, parking, neutral and reverse, not in that particular order. Your indicator stalks are obviously here at the back. I keep saying obviously when they're not obvious, but you know what I mean. Headlights, horn, everything is quite standard. It's a really nice small steering wheel, but to get going you have to kind of use your finger just to put it into drive. We are on our way. Let's go. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like I'm in a really high driving position here, like I'm on a perch. So we're off. So the handling is much more refined on this. It feels more powerful. I've not checked which Tesla Model Y this actually is. It didn't say when you booked a test drive. But compared to our current Model Y, or the previous Model Y, it feels a lot smoother. What do you think? Less bumpier? Anything you want to add?
No.
No? Just want me to talk all the time?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Suspension's definitely much better. We've not got any kind of really bad roads yet, but there's plenty up here.
I still
Right,
see you.
stop weighing up. Right, she's pressed it. She's pressed it. Right, you do it for me. Lift it up for me, because I can. Got one hand here. All the way up. Leave it. There. It should go. All good. Let go. Plenty of room. The difference with the old Model Y to the new Model Y, biggest difference is this bit here. See? So you could, if you're such way inclined, it's got a little drain pipe there. You can drain pipe, you know what I mean. Fill this with ice. Nice cold beers. Mum could drive home. Dad could sit in the back. And all that. It's quite handy. I'll put that back in properly later. Same-ish kind of size. You don't really notice any big difference, but compared to a lot of electric cars, it's a lot bigger. What do you think?
Yeah, good.
Yep. What could we put in there?
Beer.
You would drink beer. What's this over here? Look. Just notice these electric chargers here. We're at the Lost Shore Resort in the edge of Edinburgh into West Lothian. These are the Rolex chargers. CCS 2 chargers, 2 of them there. No idea how much they are, ultra charged, but we're literally just along the road from Tesla superchargers.
It's got blue on it for some reason.
I don't know what's happened to this one, but it's not looking too good. It's like it needs to be treated. You can fix all that. Right, so look at the back away. Unfortunately, it's summertime, so it's nice, beautiful light night. So that rear bar, headlight bar is not, tail light bar, it's been a long day, is not working. Engine's also turned off. So it's not going to be that effective. The boot size is massive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get you in there. How many of you could we get in there?
3?
How many of me could we get in there?
Once.
Yeah, should we try it?
No.
You'll try me or you?
Yeah.
Right, okay. You take over, hold this. Ready?
Yeah. Right guys, we're gonna lift it back up, okay? I'm gonna get right back up.
least two of me, at least. So it's getting a bit windy with none of our microphones, but look, we're going to show you a couple of new features. Look at this. Very tidy. And the next one. We definitely need these on our one. That one's not all the way down for some reason. I think the seat in front's a bit too close. You also have your under floor storage, which I'm not pointing at. There we go. The parcel shelves in there, and your charging cables, loads of room. Loads of room down.
How do you get them back up?
How do you get them back up? A good question. How do you think you get them back up?
Push them.
Try the button again, slowly.
What does?
As if by magic. Another one. Slower than that one for some reason. It's like late. It's like Saturday night. That's pretty cool, isn't it? The exterior of the car is also much more redesigned and refined, and doesn't have the what some people think is a ugly duckling kind of look. Compared to the old one, kind of a little bit like that, but I like it. What do you think of the new one compared to our one?
Very good.
Feels like this is our second car now. We've been in it so many times. Exact same one. Obviously, lovely little launch edition. Badge. Me too. Okay, you're having fun now. Right, that's enough.
That's everything. Hi guys, this is the back screen of the Tesla new Model Y.
Yeah.
So this is the games,
Mm-hmm.
and then this is all the stuff you can watch.
Yeah.
You can do
Netflix
like,
and stuff when you're on the go.
tutorials of what you can do in the Tesla.
Mm-hmm. You could probably use that. I don't know if you can use that when you're driving, can you? Maybe.
I think so.
Oh, just started that. We're not logged in. It's quite dirty in the back of this.
On the steering
Yeah.
wheel.
Controlling music. What else can you do?
Control the
Your seats, heated seats, and all the ventilation as well. So that's quite good if you don't have to bug the person at the front, isn't it? So you have to bug your mum or dad when you're doing it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's quite handy. We don't have that in our Model Y. Would you like it in this one? If we had one, would you like this?
Yeah, I would like it in full black with black tires as well.
Okay, that's fine, but we're just talking about the back screen here. Theo's designing his own Model Y right now, which is fine, but that's not going to happen anytime soon. Games, I've never played any of these before, but I don't know how many kids will want to play chess and backgammon in the back. Kids? Anyone? There's other ones. Cuphead. Sounds like fun. So overall, there's much more stuff in the back here. Out of 10.
And 9.9.
You just like that about everything about Tesla, though, don't you? Yeah. So you don't like the colour of this, do you? This green?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't drive one that colour anyway, but you want to change it for the next person so they get a nice colour.
Yeah.
So in the Toy Box app...
What's the metallic on that?
Metallic looks quite smart. That's exactly what you've just done to ours, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm just going to look at all the colours.
Yeah, I like red, a dark red or burgundy. Quite like that in the old Model Y.
Or solid black.
Ugh.
Or white.
White's better. Saw plenty of white ones in America, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're not going to win this solid black argument, I'm afraid. It's either going to be, the next one will be about there or up there.
Could make it.
Yeah, I can go with that. Maybe not matte. I wouldn't want to scrape it anyway. Too expensive. Anyway, you're not paying for it. It's me. Until you're older.
You'll be buying it for me?
Maybe. If you're good.
No.
No? Okay. So we'll leave it on that colour, will we? Looks like brown though.
It's maroon.
Doesn't look quite maroon to me. That looks... What do you think, guys? Brown?
I'll change it for you.
That's better.
Or the red.
That's better. Even better.
Orange.
I'm sure the next guys will appreciate that. As long as it's not green. Oof. We'd miss us in town with that. Alright, good. Let's test out the acceleration when we go around this corner. We've just recently drove the Cybertruck in Florida on our recent videos. If you want to have a look at some of those, there's some in the main channel and in the shorts. Here goes the acceleration now, up to 50. So quick. When you're not driving a Tesla and you try to get a 50 in a few seconds, it feels like a struggle, and nothing feels as good as a Tesla like this when you're not driving one. When I drive the higher cars for work, you usually end up with another brand, a smaller engine, and you really quickly miss the Tesla experience. But overall, this new Model Y, thoughts out of 10 so far for you, mister?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, so absolutely everything's perfect.
Yep.
If there's one thing you would change as a kid, and you're a kid not driving it, what would you want to have in it, or what would you change?
I would want to have like more time.
More games? More...
To the console, to the Model Y.
A console in it, is that an idea? What, like plug one in?
Yeah.
That'd be good if you're camping.
Like an Xbox, PlayStation.
That's an idea.
You can do a PlayStation.
Might drain your battery a bit quicker, but if you're overnight somewhere and you've got an electric charger, could be a good idea.
Yeah.
So you'd like that kind of thing in it, yeah? Alright. So the beer fridge in the front wasn't enough for you. See, that's for me the difference between our one. We never really use the trunk at all because we're still new to electric cars, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're still early in our electric car journey, and it's the first electric car we've ever owned. But you know, you're kind of splitting hairs. I mean, overall, this car is much more refined in so many different ways, like the suspension, even the design of it outside, the light bar. Obviously, it loses a little bit of boot space, but I'm not too precious on the stats about that. It's still massive. The one thing that Tesla, or maybe the Model X does, I've not actually been in one to know it. If you're going on holiday as a family and you go to the airport and you've got a lot of suitcases, we also have a Land Rover Discovery. It's so much easier to get 4 big cases into that. Whereas with the Model Y, I know it's got the higher opening, but it still doesn't quite have a big enough arch opening to get all those cases in. We can get loads of them in, we have to do it maybe a different way, but it's not quite as big. You can maybe get 4 smaller, big cases. I'm talking about the giant suitcases that we've got. So the boot space is brilliant, but there's just tiny little things I think, yeah, some of their cars do better. But here we are, now we're going on to the M9 motorway, just at the edge of Edinburgh, and we're going to test out Enhanced Autopilot, which I'm presuming this car's got. Can you check for me? You know where to go, don't you? Oh. Right. Do we have this? Let's find it. Let's get on the motorway first of all. So acceleration, no bother. Get up to speed. Right, we're on. Blue lines, good. There's a car on my left. I'm going to turn to the right. Ah, that's a bit of a bummer. Seem to have switched that off. Let's go into. You do it for me, Vic. Right, I'm driving.
What about?
So, you need to go into software here, full self-driving, computer 4. What have we got in here? We only have autopilot. Can't believe it. We can't test out enhanced autopilot.
Yeah.
Dang. Oh well, let's try enjoy this beautiful Scottish sunset, end of June. Let's do one way that way, one way back that way, then we'll hand this car back soon, will we? Okay, so we can't test enhanced autopilot because it's not on this test drive car. What we can do is take it around a really slow Scottish town with 20mph speed limits, because that's just equally as exciting for the viewer, will it? What do you think? Nah, let's not do that.
What do you need to do? What's the 3?
It's also try to find something, so it's not working.
Oh wait, it's recording.
So we can't do enhanced autopilot, which is disappointing. I think the Model 3 Performance had it, didn't it, as well? Maybe we'll do that one Monday. Overall, as a family car, this car excels. It's got plenty of room, like I said. I know I'd like to have a bigger boot entrance space, but can't have it all. It's going to tick the boxes for most people.
Take exit 1 on the left onto A89 towards Croxbow.
Okay. We'll end that there in case she interrupts us again. The overall thoughts of this here, look, there's some nice colours out here. I'm not a big fan of the solid black colour. What's your favourite colour?
Solid black.
Oh, well, we're going to clash there then, aren't we? Tesla though, obviously, have shipped a lot of these Model Ys. When I was in Belfast, I saw a lot of them at their service centre. There wasn't many sitting in the Edinburgh one at this time of night, but that could obviously change for during the week rather than the weekend. So I'm just preparing for cars to leather us here if they come down. But I can't complain. I've had a good test drive in this. Driving a Tesla, no matter what model it is a better driving experience, and the supercharger network is the winner for most people. Obviously the price of a Tesla and what you get and what you're going to get whenever the UK government and maybe the EU get their act together on autopilot and full self-driving, we'll have a lot more. We were just in Florida in Cybertruck, you know, with full self-drive on it. It was phenomenal. Can't argue with what you get for the price. I think it's something like $99 a month for a subscription to full self-drive. It's like $3 or something a day odds. That's right, isn't it? Yeah. Gives you so much more. I think the capabilities of this car are getting better and better. The software updates, the supercharger network, the pricing point for a quality car. Now you're going to get something which isn't top spec in terms of speakers, and you can also upgrade the Model Y to the better version. We've not tested out the speakers in any way in this because we don't want to do that while we are recording. But the biggest thing for me is the all-round package. You buy a BMW, a Merc or Audi, you kind of know, and drivers of those cars generally will probably stick to those kind of brands. But you know, if you're coming to electric cars for the first time as a family, Tesla for me is the winner. And that is my Victor's speech over and done with. Do you have anything you want to add?
No.
No, I think the sun's absolutely knackered you. So on that note, we'll end the video here. Thanks for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe. Most of our viewers don't subscribe. We have plenty of views, loads of likes, but like any YouTube channel, the more subscribers you get, the more it helps us grow this channel. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.